Well, I'm down at my Riverland patch and my friend Mark here alerted me to a fallen tree by the old stone bridge. So of course I came down, and with his help and the appropriate gear, we're going to see what we can do.
Yeah, we'll give it a go. It's, well, you'll see in the video that it's a fairly large tree. I think it's about, thick as probably about 12-15 inches. And we're going to cut it up into pieces and haul it out with ropes, and I'm going to take it home for some firewood for next winter. So wish us luck.
Hope the camera doesn't get swept away. Yeah, he passed earlier on.
Oh, did he?
No, he didn't, he waved. That was something. So, do I drag this inside or?
I think just drag it up there and we can put it on your land and you can chop that up.
This is a bit like that container ship that was stuck in the Suez Canal. Well, a bit of a mystery, isn't it, Ruben? What do you reckon? What sort of wood is it?
Well, there's that pine spruce one, but the other one.
What about this one? Let's have a look at the end grain.
Yeah, difficult. And then I spotted the flaky bark, and I thought maybe it's plain. I thought it might be beech and ash, and then the bark just isn't. No, so could be plain or something else.
Or something else. That's a good title of a film on woodworking.
The something else tree.
But it's certainly very dense, isn't it?
Yeah.
And
be nice to work a bit.
yeah.
See how it is.
A chisel and a mallet, you know, to remove the bark and do a cut in there.
Yeah.
If it's London plain, it would be speckled.
Yeah.
Which, of course, is also called lacewood.
Have you got a gouge in?
I haven't with me, but Mark will. If we take a small bit
or
up.
an axe.
I think Mark's brought an axe.
Okay.
Oh,
Great.
brilliant!
Yeah.
There's a little
There it is. There's a
job
bill
for you.
hook.
So we have cleared the river. Fantastic. We just got one last bit, the main trunk, which needs shifting. The expert.
Yeah.
What have you found?
Just checking out the logs, see if we can identify it.
You can identify it, yeah.
God, isn't that gorgeous?
Yeah, what's that then?
That's the big one that you've been...
Yeah.
See, plain is normally darker. It's a darker wood.
We've got trees around here that I'm not familiar with. I don't use you know, there's aspen and all sorts of things around here.
Aspen, I wonder if it's aspen.
Yeah, I'm not used to that.
What was the other one?
Alder? No.
Not alder, is it?
Hello. Alder, yes, there's a lot of alder around here.
Yeah.
We reckon it's aspen. Aspen in the river.
Well, it has been in the river,
Aspen.
isn't it?
Aspen.
I hope it hasn't got Colorado beetle.
Aspen, Colorado.
Yeah. We're trying to be clever woodworkers, but we haven't a clue what it is. It's
No,
it's a tree.
Let's stick with a comedy. I think we'd do better.
Yeah. Now I know there's some debate whether ivy is damaging to trees, but I'm going on my instinct that surely it's strangling or inhibiting in some way. I see it as an invasive plant and certainly damaging on buildings, but then I dare say it harbours important insect life. I don't know. Well, what do we actually know? I've been using trees to make furniture since I was 17. This is a treat for me to own a couple of mature trees and protect them. They are my friends. I always say a piece of furniture should last as long as it took the tree to grow. I suppose I'm both a townie and a country boy, and also like to fuse technology with nature. It is the world I live in. The smells, the sounds of nature. Well, this is a little wildlife retreat, and I guess I see myself as a custodian of this microcosm. And I have much to learn, not least about the erosive effects of the river on this alluvial plain. But soon there'll be no land here at all. And I guess if anybody owns the trees, it is the river.